Good morning to everyone. Today we are back here for our studies after the Christmas holidays, and we will continue with the same chapter which we have studied last day. Last day we have studied chapter 11. What was the name of the chapter? Do you remember? Do you remember the name of the chapter? Sun and Planets. This is the name of the chapter. One thing I want to make it clear, many students asked me during these holidays that from chapter 1 syllabus is there for annual exam. No. For annual exam, the syllabus is from chapter 10. Only annual persons, means the persons which were taken in the quarterly exam and half-yearly exam will not be included. Only these chapters will be included. If we have any further information about those chapters, we will tell you. But for time being, revise the chapters which we are taking nowadays. Okay? So, let's study about the planets. We have studied about the Earth and the Sun, and today we will study about the planets. What is a planet? A planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the Sun along a fixed path. What is planet? A heavenly body. Don't write it, just for making you understand I have it here. A heavenly body that revolves around the Sun along the fixed path. So, if anyone asks you what is planet, you will say that it is a heavenly body that revolves around the Sun along a fixed path. And this fixed path is known as the orbit of the planet. What it is known as? It is known as the orbit. What it is known as? Orbit. Each planet has its own orbit, and our solar system consists of 8 planets. How many planets are there in our solar system? 8. First one is Mercury, and Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, means very near to the Sun, as well as the smallest planet in the solar system. It completes one orbit around the Sun in only 88 Earth days. Means what is meaning of 88 Earth days? The time duration which is covered on the Earth in one day, no? Like that, 88 days it takes to complete the orbit around. It takes to complete one rotation around the Sun, or it completes one orbit around the Sun in 88 Earth days. A day on the Mercury is equal to 58.5 Earth days long. Means if we talk about the days of Mercury, one day at this Mercury is equal to how many days on the Earth? 58 whole 1 by 2 Earth days. You can think how much long the day is there. One day on the Mercury is equal to 58.5 Earth days long, because it rotates very slowly on its axis. It is taking 88 Earth days to complete one rotation, no? Therefore, the days are very long here, and Mercury has no moons. If we talk about the Mercury, how many moons are there? Mercury is having no moons. This is about the Mercury. What all details we studied? This is closest planet to the Sun. This is the smallest planet. Further, it rotates very slowly, and it takes 88 days to complete one rotation. Now, we will study about the second planet, that is Venus. Let's study about the Venus completely. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It is brighter than any other planet. in the solar system, and it takes 25 Earth days to complete one rotation. How many days it takes? 25 Earth days to complete one rotation. Further, the average temperature of the Venus is about 480 degrees Celsius. How much temperature? 480 degrees Celsius. It is similar to its structure and size to the Earth, and it takes 25 to 25 Earth days to complete. Sorry, not 25. Sorry, it is 225. Sorry, make it clear. It is 225. It takes 225 Earth days to complete one orbit of the Sun. It is similar to size of the Earth, and the structure is also similar to the Earth. Venus spins slowly in the opposite direction of most planets. Means this Venus, how it spins? If all the planets are spinning like this, no, anti-clockwise, then it will rotate clockwise, means opposite. And if others are rotating along the clockwise, it will rotate anti-clockwise. It spins opposite in direction to most of the planets. Now we will study about the Earth. Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. It is bigger than the Venus. About 30% of the Earth's surface is covered with land, while 70% is covered by oceans. Okay. The Earth has one moon, which is its natural satellite. How many moons the Earth is having? Only one moon Earth have, and this is the natural satellite of the Earth. Now we will study about the Mars. Mars is the fourth closest planet to the Sun. It takes 687 days. How many days? 687 days to complete one rotation around the Sun. 687 Earth days to complete one rotation around the Sun. And it is called the red planet. What it is called? Other name for this Mars is red planet. Red planet. Why it is called the red planet? Because the surface of this Mars is covered with iron oxide, and this iron oxide gives reddish appearance to the planet. Further, Mars also resembles like the Earth only, and it can be seen from the Earth with naked eyes. With the naked eyes we can see the Mars. It has two moons. The name of the moons are, you have to remember it because it is most important. Mostly it is asked in the exams, and for your future also it's necessary to know this. So you have to remember the name of the moons on the Mars. Phobos and Deimos. Phobos and Deimos are the two moons which are present on the Mars. And this is the what? Red planet also. This also you have to remember. Now we will study about the next planet, and the next planet is the Jupiter. Jupiter is the next planet which is closest to the Earth, or fifth planet from the Sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. About the Mercury we have studied that. This is the smallest planet in the solar system, and the Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It takes about 12 years to orbit the Sun. Till now we have studied 687 days, 225 Earth days. But now the time duration is very much 12 years. Jupiter takes 12 years to complete one rotation round the Sun. It is considered as a gas giant. Why it is considered solid surface, it is called the gas shell. Under its atmosphere, large liquid ocean of hydrogen and water can be seen. So we can consider it as a gas shell. Jupiter has 3 rings and it has over 60 moons, which are its natural satellite. Number of moons in the Jupiter, how many? 60 moons. So this is the natural satellite of the Jupiter. Now we will study about the next planet. 6th planet closest to the Sun, and this is Saturn. Let's study about this in detail. This is the 6th planet from the Sun, and it is the 2nd largest planet in our solar system. This is also made up of gases like methane, hydrogen and helium. About the Jupiter, what we have studied? Large liquid ocean of hydrogen and water can be seen, and here which gases we can see? Methane, hydrogen and helium. It takes about 30 years to orbit the Sun. 30 years, more than Jupiter also. It takes about 30 years to orbit around the Sun. Saturn is most well known for its ring, which are made up of particles of ice, dust and rocks. And this planet is having 53 moons, and these are its natural satellite. Number of moons here is 53. Now we will study about the next planet, Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet closest to the Sun. 7th planet from the Sun. It is made up of gases like methane, hydrogen and helium, and it takes about 84.3 years to orbit around the Sun. 84.3 years to orbit around the Sun. 84.3 years. It is an extremely cold planet. So it has been called as the ice giant. It has 27 moons, and these 27 moons are the natural satellite of the Uranus. 27 moons, these are the natural satellite of the Uranus. Now the last planet, Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and the farthest planet from the Sun. Its atmosphere also contains gases like hydrogen, helium and methane. It takes about 165 years. You can imagine, very long time. 165 years to orbit around the Sun. No other planet in the solar system has winds as strong as Neptune's. It has 13 moons, and these 13 moons are the natural satellite of the Neptune. And here wind is always seen, means this is also called the windy planet. What it is called? Windy planet. This is about the chapter. I hope all of you have understood well. Now we will discuss the one-word exercise here, and question answer and exercise I will send in the form of PDF also. This exercise A and B you have to do in the book, and exercise C and D, that is give reasons and answer the following questions, you have to do in the notebook. All of you open your book and let's do the books exercise in the book itself. You have to use pencil for filling the book. Don't use pen. Exercise A is tick the correct option. First question. The center of the solar system is dash. We have 3 options: Earth, Sun and Moon. Earth, Sun and Moon. And the correct option is second option. The center of the solar system is Sun. So you have to tick in the second box. Now question number 2. A dense ball of the elements containing iron and nickel Mercury, Venus, Neptune. Now only we have discussed. First option is correct. Mercury is correct option. So you have to take in the first box. And E, R, C, U, R, 1. Now question number 4. The eighth and the farthest planet from the sun is dash. We have 3 options. Sun, Earth and star. And sorry, I told another options. For the question number 4, options are Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And Neptune is the correct answer. So you have to tick in the last box. And E, P, T, U and E. Now question number 5. Crust, mantle and core are the 3 layers of dash. We have 3 options. Sun, Earth, star. So this crust, mantle and core are the layers of the earth. You have to click in the second box again. E-A-R-T-H. Now we will discuss exercise B. Exercise B is fill in the blanks. The larger the body, the dash the force of gravity. What will be the answer? You can write 2 answers, greater or stronger. I am giving this answer. You can write stronger also. Greater is the force of the gravity. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Question number 2. Water covers about dash of the earth's surface. Answer is 71% of the earth's surface. If you write 70%, that is also correct. Means 1/3. Approximately it contains 1/3. But exactly 71% is the correct answer. The dash is so hot that the metal it is always molten. Outer core is very hot. We have discussed due to temperature on the inner core, this outer core is very hot. So the metal is always in molten state. Now question number 4. Mars has 2 moons, dash and dash. Now only I told Phobos and Deimos. Phobos and Deimos. P-E-I-M-O-S. P-H-O-B-O-S. Now question number 5. This is the last question of this exercise. Dash has been called the ice giant. And which has been called the ice giant? Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus has been called the ice giant. Give reason and answer the following. I will send in the form of PDF. This exercise also I will send. You can match at that time. For today, this much is enough. We will meet in the next class with the next chapter. I hope all of you will complete the copy in time. Okay. Thank you, class.